This morning I'm going to run you through our new innovative, flexible residential balustrade system called VetroMount and what you get with it in component wise when you order it. So first of all, you're ordering your profile. Now this does come with different options. You can have it just the profile with a gasket. You've also got an option to have a side cover, which does come with standard anodized but also can come in stainless steel finish. You've also got a top cover as well, which now you can interact with the two, having a side cover and a top cover, or you can have two side covers and two top covers. Another advantage with the covers is that these covers can be powder coated to any RAL of your choice. So we have our profile. You then also need your mounting kit depending on what thickness of glass you're going to be using. So within the mounting kit, both items come within the same code. For example, this code being BO5403060, comprising of your wedges, your gaskets, and your gasket in this box as well. So first of all, within your mounting kit, you get your packers. Now these come color coded to help identify what thickness of glass that you're going to be using in there. Now also with these, they are a pull cord kind of system. Advantage to this is if you fit the system, at any point you do wish to take the glass out, or if there's a crack, if there's damage, you can simply unhinge these, take these apart, reinstall them using the same mounting kits. Now also with the same mounting kit, you also get your gaskets. Now your gaskets will change depending on what system you choose, whether it be just the standard profile with the gaskets, whether it be with the side cover or with the top cover, your gasket will change. Now you don't need a lot of tools to install our VetroMount balustrade system. This here is what we call our mounting tool. Now this is what you'd put in the channel to knock the mounting kits across that then clamp on the glass, which I will show you in the demonstration later on. The rest of the tools are probably what you already have around about the business, and a simple gasket roller, which again just puts the gaskets in the profile, a screwdriver, which is for if in any instance you need to unhinge and take out the mounting kit, take out the glass. There is a safety click on the back of the mounting kit, which again I will show you in the demonstration, which allows you to take the mounting kits out, and a simple hammer, any hammer, which again allows you in the profile, and you're just going to simply knock that across, which I will show you later on. The thing to do when installing the VetroMount balustrade system is obviously we're going to fit our profile to our substrate. Now a bonus that benefits with the VetroMount system is it is counterbore as opposed to countersunk. So you can use standard counterbore anchor bolts, which are a lot more cost effective. We're then going to install, first thing to do is our mounting kits. Now you will notice also on the mounting kits you have two notches. Now these mounting kits serve a purpose as they serve two different types of thicknesses of glass per mounting kit, which is very important when installing. So once these have gone in, we've got our mounting kits in, we're then going to put on, this is our first set of gasket. Okay, we have our first gasket on, we have our mounting kits in, next comes the glass, horizontal down against your gasket, which will fit in there nicely. Now as you know, it will have a tendency to fall back because there is no gasket on the back side. Quick and easy little tip, all we need to do is just gently place one of these down a little bit, just to stop it falling back on itself. So we've got our glass in, it's nice and tight. Now what I'm going to do with this mounting kit here, each mounting kit comes and serves two different types of glass, which is color coded. They're also indicated in the mounting kits when they arrive. What I'm going to do with my mounting tool, as I showed you before, is I'm going to knock this side of the mounting kit in, which as you can see, narrows the gap within the mounting kit, which then clamps onto the glass. So in goes the mounting kit, and all we're going to do is just simply tap them across. Now as I say, this serves a purpose just to clamp the glass, make it a little bit tighter of a hold. Then once you're happy with this, then the mounting kits can go in properly all the way down. And you'll notice when you are putting them in, you will hear a click, like a pull cord. Now you will notice you get a little bit that still hangs out at the top. Now it's important not to cut these off, as if you do cut these off they can't be reused. So what we tend to do is just simply curl them in and tuck them in the profile. Then finally comes our back gasket, and this is just going to simply sit on the back there. Once you feel it's in enough, this is where it's easier to use a gasket roller. In we are, and there is a complete installation of our VetroMount balustrade system.